Recently, Time magazine revealed its list of the best inventions of 2024, and guess what? Robots made the cut. Here's a rundown of the robotic innovations you absolutely won't expect. Symani Surgical Robot. Developed by Italy's MMI company, this microsurgical robot combines the world's smallest wrist-mounted instruments with tremor suppression and motion scaling technology, allowing surgeons to perform incredibly precise operations on even the tiniest structures. This breakthrough boosts surgical accuracy and control like never before. Aescape Massage Robot. Using iron sensors, this robot customizes each massage by monitoring your body's condition in real time. It adjusts the pressure and techniques to meet your needs, ensuring a personalized massage every time. Digit, the blue-collar robot. Created by US-based Agility Robotics, Digit is a humanoid robot that walks on 2 feet and moves flexibly in complex environments. Designed to work alongside humans, it increases productivity in various job settings. Pit Viper 360 thermal camera. Designed by Bounce Imaging for tactical and rescue teams, this device combines 6 thermal imaging cores with a portable design to provide a 360-degree panoramic view. It helps teams gather critical intelligence in hazardous environments. Figure 02 Humanoid Robot. CO. Developed by Figure and OpenAI, this powerhouse of a robot brings advanced AI and robotics to the table. It's highly flexible and autonomous, able to complete various car assembly tasks on its own. These robots are making waves across multiple industries, and it's clear the robotics sector has a huge future ahead. As an aluminum alloy die casting manufacturer, Sunrise Metal is poised to provide high-precision components for advanced robots like Figure 02. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about the exciting intersection of robotics and aluminum die casting.